Hi, my name is Daniel Toon. This is Team Visual Tableau with the Sarah. Um, Here is my project Tableau Online, our team project Tableau Online. It's right here. Let's go to the view. Hmm. Let's start with one, one, one section for the workbook. Here is what it's gonna. The reason I use a bar chart up here also uh, for this is right here. The reason I use it is it's easy to read it, and the profit and the sales up here. On this section up here, there is a losing, is losing up here, a lot of losing for this section. What it does is for furnitures tables, it's losing. The company should consider close, not anymore providing furniture tables. And right here also another section also is a very so losing here for bookcase furnitures. There's another up here also for the supply, for office supply, for that category, subcategories also they need to look at, watch out, and then there is a losing here, not profiting. So there is a consumer buying up here, so that's a good uh, a good benefit or good profit for the company on a copper on technology side. And there's on technology side actually is everything is doing okay. Even machine also that is doing good. They have it like 3K profit out of it. It's up here. And after I talk about this a little bit, I'm gonna go back and talk a little bit for another part. And for another part also. Here is another part, also another section. This is also another section for almost the same thing. What this one does is uh, by the region, by category, by the region. The other one is by the uh, technology, I mean by the subcategory. This one is category by the region. This one is also the up here for the central for the central region. They need to watch out for the furniture section. There are everything else is okay, but it's still they need to watch out for the furniture in central. Here is the big profit section is right here for the west section. This is the highest profit and office supply, and also this technology section also is good. As right here, technology section also is good for east region. So for west region also they are doing good, but it's still fine. I mean for the south region they're doing good. After this, I want to go back another section up here. Uh, this one is also the same, but it's by number. Similar subcategory and a category by the number. You can check it out by which section is as right here, for example, for the consumers and for the corporate also you can check it out too. For the corporate and for office. For the consumer, also there's losing up here for tables. For the corporate, also the losing for the tables. Up here for consumer, they need to watch out uh, for the bookcase and for the tables. Most of the place for the furnitures, for the bookcase and the tables is really it's not profitable. They need to watch out. The same thing, but let me go back to again uh, right here. Another one also. Here is another one up here. This one is shipping, sales shipping by profit. This one is what that does is this is a first class. On first class, there is no profit. There is a sale quantity 5,693, but there is quantity shipped is that much, but the sales is 351, but the no profit 351,000. That's no profit. On the same day shipping, even the losing appear. The profit is losing. Up here is losing the profit, but they need to watch out. They don't. Company should not do same day shipping. Here is also uh, uh, sec second class shipping. That's is also doing okay. They have a 41K profit. Another also standard class shipping is best way for us. It's profitable. It's very good. And this is bar chart is easy to read it. That's why I use a bar chart. And also it's right here. You can tell how it's go losing the business. And tell this line for trend line is easy to identify which side is skewing to more profit. So it's first class is not uh, like good uh, as a second class, but still second class is also not good as a standard class. So after I talk this one, I will go back to and again. I have a time limit here, so I guess let me take this one. This one is also is pie. Pie chart is also a tell by slice which section subcategories has a more profit. By you can tell by the size. This one is has a more profit. Uh, Copper envelope subcategory. So it's a kind of cool. You can tell the difference. Easy to read it too. Let me go back to uh, dashboard. This is a dashboard. Uh, Here is the dashboard we create. I put it a little cool text up here for the title. Here is the section for the center. You guys is even affected slide like this from here. You can select east section, uh, south sections, uh, west sections. Let's make it different up here. You can see even up here also. So it's affected on everywhere. So this one is also the same menu section. It's can affect on all over. You can by year also you can just check that one too. by chairs. It's easy to read it in this dashboard. It can tell a story. Also, you can hover over and right here for the south region and central region and west region and the east region right here. You can tell the profit also. The total profit for east region is 74. That's the state of New York. Also by the state of also you can tell. Yeah. Up here even as cool as however is also as work. Let me go to back to the another section also. Second dashboard. Second dashboard is I just make a simple one as up here as I already explained this one. Just I put it together. It's easy to read it and it's a very cool one. Okay, let me go to the storytelling. The storytelling section also is right here. There is a two storytelling is the two section up here. The first one, I already explained this one here. The profit for the same day ship is the worst than the shipping modes than other shipping modes, and the standard shipping has also high earning profit than the rest of the others options. Also, I create this one also. That's I think this looks easy and to read it on. Another one also up here. The one I created for the region for sales category profit by region. Also, I already explained this one. Based on this one, the central region sales company is losing business on furniture sales. The others are also office supplies, okay. Office supplies, okay, but they're losing a business up here for the furniture. But at the same time, up here for the uh, west region, they gaining like they're making a good profit up here. They're doing it for everything. It's okay. They're doing good. And the east region is also they doing okay, but it's the central is a little bit on the furnitures and not doing good. That's it. If you have a question, let me know. Thank you very much. I really appreciate. Thank you very much. Before that, actually, let me. I have here data source also for the samples store, as I think that's part also is required. So that's why I just there is a data source up here for I did extract and use it, and that's it. And thank you very much. On actual Tableau is right here. On actual Tableau is right here. I don't have. I'm running out of time. Right here for actual Tableau. That other one is Tableau Online up here. Tableau Online is up here. Thank you very much. Have a good one. Thank you. If you have a question, let me know.